My name is Gene Muller. I'm the founder and president of Flying Fish Brewing Company. Quite often I say I'm the founder, president, and head janitor, and not necessarily in that order. But we started the company in 1994 and started brewing in 1996. So this year is our 20th anniversary. I got into brewing because I was a home brewer. I don't translate any of that into what we do today. It's a lot bigger operation. But I just had a passion for making something, and it's kind of like if you give 10 bakers the same recipe, one cake is going to be better, and that's always fascinating to me. So I got into that, got into brewing. There was an opportunity at the time. There weren't really any breweries in the state. That made it difficult as well. But it was just this idea I had, and I was tenacious and stuck with it, and 20 years later, here we are. To me, leadership is kind of, putting our team in a position where they can, do what they do best. My goal is to make sure that everybody's playing nice together and everybody's getting the opportunity to kind of do the best job. Most challenging part is beer, and that's also the most rewarding part. But actually, we're in a highly regulated industry. The alcohol beverage industry is the only industry in our nation that has 2 constitutional amendments addressing it, one to ban it and then one to make it legal again. So there's layers and layers of regulation. Craft brewing is fun, it's a little gourmet industry, but we're a manufacturing facility, so we have to worry about OSHA rules and the FDA and things like that sometimes in the early days I didn't know until there was a knock at the door, and they're like, oh, okay. But to me, personally, the most rewarding thing in this industry is when people come in and say, hey, we're serving your beer at our wedding, or we just served your beer at our child's christening. And that's pretty meaningful to, relate to people on very important things in their life. So that's awesome.